Hi guys, are you one of those looking for new ways and creative ways to have momos? Then this recipe is for you. Come, let's make a Momo Frankie. I am using wheat momos from SteamUp for this recipe, so let's get started. I've steamed these momos for about 4 minutes. Once the momos are done, we're going to start making the Frankie. Here I have some red and yellow bell pepper, the steamed momos, and now I'm going to start putting some Thousand Island dressing on this roti that I have made out of wheat. So that way it is super healthy. Make sure you're really generous. To that, I'm adding a cheese sauce. You can add whichever sauce you like. It could be ketchup, mayo, or whatever you like. Now I'm going to add the momos to the Frankie. I'm going to top it off with some yellow bell peppers and some red bell peppers too. You can add lettuce, cucumber, carrot, whatever you like. Now I'm going to roll this up really well. There you go. A simple recipe made in 5 minutes that you can enjoy at your house in no time. I have served this Frankie with this cheese sauce that I used earlier. For more such recipes, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.